Righto, today I'm going to do something I don't normally do and go for a walk. Head for Britannia Creek Falls. Oh wow. Spotted this little track. See what's down here. Oh wow. Check that out. Oh wow, that's cool. Righto, where did I come from? Up here? I don't know if this is a track or what. Should be able to see the old concrete weir. Everything's covered in moss. Oh, look at the bloody truck there. Why didn't I take that one? I might take that one back, hey? Far out. Yeah, that would have been easier. Anyway, there we go. Here's the old concrete weir. The old valve down there. Old gate valve. So this is all silted up. I think that's why they had to stop using it. Look at that there, that is beautiful. It's like a little kiddie pool now. Wow. It's amazing what you find when you actually get off the bike sometimes. Normally I don't stop. I very rarely stop and get off and do any exploring, so I'm glad I did. It's well worth it. Yeah, I think I'll take the path back. Might be a bit easier. Of course, I took my gear with me. That's all down there. There's the bike parked up. There's my helmet and my bag. Oh, I know, that was cool. Let's go see if we can find these caves. Welcome to Britannia Creek Caves. Let's go down and have a look, eh? Oh, got a lyrebird. Wow. Oh, off he goes. Now, when I heard a cockatoo before, it could have been a lyrebird. Lyrebirds can mimic other birds. They can mimic car alarms and all sorts of stuff. You don't see them very often though. I'm assuming this is where you go. It didn't really say, did it? Where did that bird go? He took off somewhere. That would be the lyrebird. I'd love to get a better look at him. I see him occasionally, usually just running across the road in front of me. But yeah, you don't see him very often. Wow, I can hear water running under there. Ooh, nasty looking spider. Try not to disturb you, buddy. I don't know where these caves are. Maybe I'm past it already. I did hear water running underground. I'm not going any further.